Dumodoklay.
Hindi nga umot eh.
Woo! Ba't parang dito na?
Mahal po ng ticket ito. Somebody told me you were leaving. I didn't know.
Dapat pala doon ako eh.
Somebody told me you're unhappy, but it doesn't show.
Oo, kunan na. Siya lang.
Somebody told me that you don't want me no more.
Ang bitter daw. Kumoko na.
You're walking out the door. Nobody told me you've been crying every night.
Spotlight ka. Ang linaw eh.
Nobody told me you've been dying,
Nasa hot
but
seat.
didn't want to fight. Nobody told me that you fell out of love from me. So set you free.
Oh, setting yung pre daw. Sabi.
Let me be the one to break it off, so you don't have to make excuses.
Setting yung pre daw.
You don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say what's true and still go. You, I love you one last time. And goodbye.
Lance, ang ganda nung in-add mo kanina sa Facebook ah.
Ayaw ko ba yun? Akala ko ikaw.
May balik eh.
Somebody told me you still love me. I don't know why. Nobody told me that you only needed time to fly. Somebody told me that you want to come back when our love is real again.
Dapat nag-dedicate ka din.
Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find the setup where someone wins and someone loses.
Kinakanta ka doon ng
We
Gino.
just have to say what's true and still go. And you, I love you one last time.
Ako, goodbye daw. Goodbye daw sa Australia.
And goodbye. Turn around and walk away. You don't have to live like this. But if your love is to then stay, keep waiting for the final kiss. We can work together.
Yun lang.
I just need to get this off my chest, that you will always have my heart.
Commercial.
Be the one to break it up, so you don't have to.
Siya, gawa na tayo ng ano. Harlem Shake.
We don't need to find the setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say what's true. So telling you I love you one last time. And goodbye.
Ano na, Jay? Yeah.